Hello students, let us see this problem from CSIR net. So you have been given a piezoresistive pressure sensor, and the output of this piezoresistive sensor is given to a AD converter. Now let us see how this piezoresistive sensor works. You apply some pressure, the resistance of the sensor will change by the given equation delta R equal to minus R0 log tan delta P upon P0, and where R0 and P0 values are given, and they say fixed current is also flowing across the sensor. It is 2 microampere current. So now whenever you apply pressure, the sensor will change its resistance, and the voltage across the sensor will also change because current is fixed and R is changing delta R. So delta V, change in the voltage across the sensor will be I into delta R. Now, this drop in voltage across the sensor is given as an input to the A to T converter. And now, A to T converter full scale voltage is given 1 volt, and it says how many minimum number of A to T converters are required to measure the pressure changes of this sensor if the pressure is changed by 1 millibar. Okay, so if pressure is changed by 1 millibar, what should be the minimum number of bits required for the AD converter? So let us solve this problem. So if the change in the pressure is 1 millibar, okay, the change in the resistor of the piezoresistor sensor will be around 1500 ohm, and now accordingly there will be the voltage drop change across the sensor, which is current is fixed to microampere. So this gives 3 millivolt change. So 1 millibar pressure change gives 3 millivolt voltage across the sensor. Now, if I want to measure this voltage 3 millivolt, my resolution of D2A converter should be greater than this 3 millivolt. Okay, then only I can measure this change in the voltage, because I have to measure the change in change in the voltage, which is changing by one millibar every time. So my resolution should be greater than 3 millivolt. So the resolution of resolution is given by full scale voltage to power n minus 1, where n is the number of bits. So now for this given question, this resolution should be greater than this value. Let us calculate this value. This is 3 millivolt. Okay. So if I calculate now to power n, so we can solve this this way, and this gives me the n value. This should be greater than equal to 8.37. Now the given options, that means my number of required bits should be greater than 8. It can be 9, it can be 10, 11, 12. But the question says amongst the option, the minimum number of bits needed for it to be converted is what? 10. So this is the option. So 8 cannot be there, and we have to give next minimum number. Next, the value should be greater than 8, and we have to choose among the given options only, so that the correct value will be 10. Okay, 10, 14, 12, 14, everything will work, but I have to give the minimum value given in the options. So the minimum value which will work for this sensor is 10. Okay, thank you.